Monitor your cash flow with confidence. There are two places where I can't stand surprises: the dump station and my bank account. I'm tired of payment processor backups and blowouts, confusing disbursements, hidden fees, and hours spent waiting for help. So I switched to CampLife Pay for easy reconciliation, simple pricing, and quick answers to my questions. Now, instead of getting payment disbursements that are a hot mess to reconcile, I can match disbursements to transactions in one click. And when I need to save a funding report from my records, I can do that right here. If I ever have questions, I just call CampLife's 5-star support team. No more getting stuck in the pipeline. What can CampLife Pay do for your part? Contact our customer success team today to get started.